I'm in Moscow, Idaho, which is currently experiencing a widespread natural gas outage. You see, an excavator hit a pipeline west of here, and 60,000 houses and businesses are currently without fuel. That means no gas furnaces, no gas hot water. 3/4 of the restaurants in town aren't able to operate. Even the University of Idaho had to cancel classes for 2 days. And then to make matters worse, the wind picked up. There's a risk of power lines falling down. Fortunately, it's not sub-freezing temperatures, but let's face it, without energy, without power, without gas, people die. Now, during this process, a lot of my neighbors have been saying, why don't we have more than one gas line? Why didn't they think about contingencies? And that's a good conversation for another day. And as my neighbors were having this conversation about making our infrastructure more resilient, I came across this sign. Now, that homeowner was probably well-intentioned. I'm sure they have some very good-hearted reasoning for why they think that dismantling regional infrastructure is a good thing. Let's face it, every time we take down a pipeline, every time we tear down a power line, every time we dismantle a power station, our community resilience gets worse. The lower Snake River dams are a very complex issue. It's not going to get solved anytime soon. But right now, today, when we have 60,000 people unable to heat their homes, I am so grateful that we have clean, reliable hydropower.